What I have today is one of the top of the line Lexus sedan, the 2014 Lexus LS 460 in the beautiful Starfire Pearl exterior color. The 2014 Lexus LS 460 is a full-size luxury sedan available in standard and extended wheelbase. 5-passenger seating is standard. The Lexus LS generations have inspired an entire industry through visionary innovation, craftsmanship, and design, and the 2014 LS line is no exception with its exhilarating performance, brilliant technology, and bold styling inside out. In the world of full-size luxury sedans, the 2014 Lexus LS 460 is a conservative player, a high-end sedan that's designed to spoil its occupants more than make a flashy design statement or set new benchmark for performance. The front look amazing with the new visual signatures of the Lexus brand, the spindle-shaped grille, which was designed to create a powerful expression of precision and dynamic movement. The headlamp feature LED headlamps with intelligent high beams as well as dynamic auto leveling system. Headlight washer system and the parking sensor are also built into the front bumper. The vertical design LED fog lamp, LED turn signal light, and LED daytime running light are also integrated into the headlamps. This particular model comes with the 19-inch split 7-spoke alloy wheels with high gloss finish and all-season tires, side view mirror with integrated LED turn signal light, to the back, you can see the LED tail lamp, the L-shaped LED brake lamp, and the LED turn signal lamp. Parking sensor are also built into the rear bumper. The black diffuser with dual chrome tip exhaust. The backup camera is located right above the license plate. And there is the roof brake lamp, the shark fin antenna for the radio, as well as the moonroof. The LS 460 is simply beautiful. The car does come equipped with smart access key system. With the key in your pocket, press the button on the door handle once to lock. After a few seconds, put your hand on the door handle to unlock. The car also features self-close automatic door. If you fail to close it, it's okay. The interior features full black leather seats, leather door panel with white stitching, as well as genuine wood and aluminum interior trim. The interior of the LS 460 offers nothing but luxurious touch and top-notch quality material. Three-position memory seating for driver and passenger. All 4 windows are fully automatic. That's the storage for the door. Mark Levinson speaker. Lexus aluminum door sill. Both driver and passenger front seats are perforated and comes with heated and ventilated option. 16-way for driver seats, including dual function lumbar with auto slide away. The thigh extension. The passenger seats also get 12-way power front seats, including lumbar. There's the pedal, hood release, gas, and trunk release button. Push button ignition. With your foot on the brake, push the button to start. Let's pop the hood. Under the hood is a 4.6 liter V8 engine, 4-cam, 32 valve with electronically controlled intake valve timing, dual fuel injection system, 8-speed sequential automatic transmission, pushing out 360 horsepower at 6,400 RPM. EPA estimate fuel economy is 16 city, 23 highway, and 18 combined. Can hit from 0 to 60 in 6.1 seconds. The 3-spoke design steering wheel is wrapped in leather and section wood trim with multi-function control side by side for your convenience. The steering wheel also features power tilt and telescopic steering column. Here's your light control. Auto fold mirror. Automatic high beam, heated steering wheel, blind spot monitoring system, and parking sensor button. Driver side air vent. .3-inch split screen. Alright, you can control the screen via the remote touch. Remote touch allows you to easily move through logical menus of the LS features. Located on the center console for your comfort and convenience. Buttons on either side are accessible to both driver and passenger. There's the analog clock with the double air vent, 4-zone climate control, multimeter control with Mark Levinson surround sound system. Here's the 2-cup holder with the 12-volt power outlet. Here's the gearbox. Down for reverse. Once you're in reverse, the screen will show the backup camera with guidance line. Down for drive. Over to the left for manual. Remote touch control, menu, down and up, map, 3 different driving mode, eco, normal, and sport. Push down to select, snow, traction control off, ventilated and heated seat, rear sunshade button, press it once to lower, press it again to raise it up, center storage compartment, with USB and auxiliary input, and here's another 12-volt power outlet. Glove box compartment. There is the trunk lock button. Very nice dash. One touch, tilt, moonroof. One touch open and close. That's the light control. Glasses holder. Universal garage door opener. Here is the card holder and the sun visor mirror. You can also slide the seat forward or tilt the seat back via the button on the side. Very nice perforated seat. Rear door also have automatic self-closing door. The LS 460 offer luxurious touches at every corner. Whether you're the driver or the front passenger, or perhaps the rear passenger, everyone will be greeted with nothing but luxurious features and will be very comfortable at every seat you take. The back is very spacious. Here's the 2-air vent for the rear passenger. And another 12-volt power outlet. Here's the view to the front cabin. Very nice cabin. Rear armrest with storage compartment. Dual cup holder for the rear passenger. Two rear mirrors for each passenger, one on each side. The trunk of the LS460 offers 18 cubic feet of cargo space. And here is the net for small items. Very spacious trunk. One touch close button. The rear headroom is 37.9 inches and the rear shoulder room is 56.9 inches. Plenty of room for even an over average size individual. As a top-end luxury sedan, the interior of the Lexus LS460 features outstanding material, including soft leather and high-quality vinyl, and padded surface are joined with elegant contrast stitching. Wood trim is artfully applied, mixing with metallic surfaces and chrome details for a modern, ambient, understated atmosphere. Seat comfort, on the other hand, is simply outstanding up front, with wonderfully sculpted, multi-adjustable front buckets that can accommodate a variety of body types. Things get better in the back, especially on the LS460L model, as the option list contains features that would be the envy of a day spa, including a massaging rear seat with near full recline and a power ottoman. And that's only on the LS460L model. Overall, the 2014 Lexus LS460 is the flagship model of Lexus sedan lineup with the richest finish and most advanced technology. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this review and I'll see you guys next time. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up.